Oh, Janice! What's up? I came to the right room.
You did. How are you, Mr. Howard?
You want to introduce your home?
Good evening. Wait a minute.
Hold the bump side. You make mistakes sometimes. You ready? Okay, wait. That was good. Ready? Hold on.
Good evening. My name is Brenda Mickens, known as Bree, and we're here with the Plain English Band tonight. We are the entertainment for this evening. I have to my right my background singer. Her name is Lachelle. And Lachelle, you want to talk to the people?
I am excited to be here tonight. We're so excited to be the entertainment and to sing behind the infamous Bree. I've been singing for over 15 years professionally. I'm from Newark. Excited to be in Patterson tonight. Hope to see you.
And also, to my left, we have Jada.
Hi.
Say hello, Jada.
Hi. I am from Newark, New Jersey, but I live in EO. And I'm so excited to be here. And I've been singing for over 20 years. And I'm a classical singer. So I can't wait to have fun tonight.
Yes. So we're here to have fun.
Yes.
I've been singing for over 30, 40 years, so, they make me feel a little bit old, but that's okay. That's okay. We're going to have fun. We're going to have fun. We're going to enjoy ourselves, and we want the people to enjoy themselves.
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect. Michelle?
Nice to meet you.
Jada.
Jada, Keith. Pleasure to meet you.
Nobly not.
Oh, these are my girls first of all.
Yep, that's good. Thank you. You ready to enjoy yourselves? You want to do a little two-step?
I'll be right back here.
All right. You're my brother.
We had a good time that you could say, hurting each other. Boy, it's a shame. I will be foolish, no. I gotta know. Wanna make sure I'm right, yeah. Before I let go, you know I thank God sun rises and shines on you. You know that nothing I would not do. Before I let you go.
Y'all know me. I'm an old head. I'm Booker G, formerly of Patterson, and I've been playing music in here over 40 years. I don't mean to tell my age, but like I said, I'm an old dog. This is gonna be a lot of fun. We gonna enjoy it, and I'm pretty sure you will too.
You still playing stand-up?
Yeah, I still play my stand-up, not much, but I still play it. And it's fun. If it wasn't fun, I still wouldn't be doing it all these years. It's like jumping rope. You know, hopscotch. I love this. Thank you.
My name's Angelo Costa from North Jersey. I play lead guitar. 26 years old.
How long you been playing?
Playing about 15, 16 years. That's all I got.
My name is Eugene Austin from Patterson, New Jersey. I've been playing drums for over 40-some years. I'm enjoying myself playing drums with the group right now, and my first time playing like R&B. I've been playing gospel all my life, but this is a good experience playing with family, and I want y'all to know I'm having an enjoyable time.
I'm Larry Greenberg. I'm on keyboards.
Tell us a little bit about yourself. Where are you from?
Originally from Queens, now hailing from Fair Lawn, New Jersey. I don't know what else to say.
How long have you been playing keyboards?
Oh, I've been playing since I was 4 years old. I played with a number of known artists. I played with the Delphonics. I played with Sky. Matter of fact, I was Sky's regular keyboard player. I still am.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
Wow.
And I played with Clear, and I played with several other groups.
Oh, so you're good.
I hope so. If I ain't, I'm in a lot of trouble.
My name is B. Keith Evans. I'm a saxophonist, born in Patterson. I've been playing sax for more years than I can count, and I'm just happy to be here.
Thank you.